Hey everybody, must be Christmas because I got a new toy. Want to see what I got? Yeah, so let me tell you a story. But first, I got to welcome you to the joy of trucking. My name is Kevin. I'm a solo OTR driver for Werner Enterprises. And hit that subscribe button and then I will tell you the story of my new toy. So we decided that with the inclement weather, you know, the cold and the storms and the snow and the bad traffic and everything of winter, it would be a good idea to have a CB radio so that we could get information from other drivers and, you know, talk to people and find out if there's something bad happening up ahead, and just, you know, for something new to play with in the truck, you know, maybe get talking to other drivers and learn a thing or two from them. So we know that CB radios were always in trucks, you know, even from back in the 70s when it made a big splash in the movies and music and stuff like that. My dad used to have a CB radio in his car. He was a traveling salesman out for 2 weeks at a time. He loved it so much he got a big base station in his kitchen with an antenna outside the house, and he was close enough to the interstate he could actually talk to truckers as they were going by for a few minutes at a time. So he used to spend his evenings doing that just for fun. We decided on a model. This is the COBRA 29 LTD Classic, just because it's a COBRA and just because it's cheap. I didn't need the one with the fancy LEDs and the, you know, all the other doodads and crazy stuff. So this was the simplest, easiest, and has a good reputation for reliability and so on. The problem was everybody else thought of the same thing at the same time. I got a lot of points on my Loves membership because I always fill up at Loves with the truck. So I had accumulated enough points to make it viable financially. As an astute penny pincher, I decided that rather than order it from Amazon and save 10 bucks, I would use my points and save as much as I could. So I started looking at Loves for this radio, and they had it, as well as many others. But every Loves I went to, this particular model was not in stock. And I talked to a few people, and they said it's just the supplier hasn't been able to keep up. Maybe they're all sitting in a sea container in San Diego out in the ocean somewhere, you know, they haven't been unloaded, I don't know what. But the supplier themselves hasn't been able to keep all the Loves stocked with these. So here we are on a reset at a Loves. I went in, you know, to take care of my normal business and asked at the counter, and lo and behold, they had one. In fact, the last place we went, they even sold the display model, which I hadn't seen in any other Loves. But after like 8 or 9 truck stops where I had checked, I finally found one in stock. So I grabbed it, knowing I may not get this opportunity again for a while. And at this point today, I had like 8,000 points with Loves, so I got $80 off. So this goes for $129 plus tax, so I paid basically out of pocket $50 plus tax. And I could have waited, I guess, until I had enough points to get it for free, but I thought by then it won't be winter anymore and the need will not be as vital, and I had 50 bucks in my pocket. So here it is, I got it. And this model of course comes with the microphone, and it has many features. It has 40 channels like a CB. You've got the emergency channel 9 that you can flick off in an instant. You've got the meter to show, you know, your output and so on, and volume, squelch, RF gain, all the normal stuff. It's got shiny chrome buttons. It's got a black microphone. Now the truck comes with 2 antennas and all the wires and connection for the antennas. So installation should be pretty easy. I did have a broken antenna, and I picked up a replacement at a service shop in one of the terminals lately, so I'm all set. All I got to do now, this is the fun part, all I got to do now is open the box. Okay. And here I go. This opens like this. This opens like this. I see some nice cardboard packing material here. We slide it out. Let's take a look. Well, here's a shiny bag with a microphone in it. Looks like a black microphone with the key switch. Well, that's gonna, oh, look at all the cord you get too. Wow. Here's some wires. Here's some mounting hardware. Out of the box. Mounting bracket in case you want to hang it from the ceiling or stand it on the dashboard. And there we go. The COBRA 29 LTD. Pretty, huh? On the back, you got the connections for the cable and for the power. Looks pretty straightforward. I should be able to do this. And if I can't, next time I'm at a Werner terminal, I have the service department do it. So if you don't feel comfortable installing something like this, you can get help from the company. All right, don't feel like you have to do this yourself. I think it'll be fun though. All right, let's get to it.
Thanks for joining us today for the unboxing of the COBRA 29 LTD Classic CB radio. Be sure to join us in the next video where Kevin will show you how to install it. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, please. Put your comments and questions below. Do you have one? Are you thinking of getting one? And by the way, if you are thinking of getting one, please do use the link below. That helps out our channel if you buy it through the Amazon link. But if you have Love's points, hey, that's what we did. Anyway, listen, we enjoy having you along. And if you want to keep traveling with us, please do subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. And with that, we wish you a great day with love from Kevin and Tanya. And that's a 10-10.